Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Mailchimp affiliate program for email marketing step by step clearly. To register for the Mailchimp affiliate program, start by visiting the Mailchimp website. On the home page, scroll down to the footer section and look for the affiliates link. Click on the affiliates link to access the affiliate program information. Read the details provided about the program, including any commission structures and requirements. If you decide to proceed, locate the Join the Program button or a similar call to action. Click on the Join the Program button to be directed to the registration page. You will need to provide your email address and create a password. Fill out any additional required fields, such as your name and website URL. Make sure you enter accurate information to ensure your application is processed smoothly. Once you've filled out the form, review the terms and conditions of the program. If you agree, check the box indicating your acceptance of the terms. Submit your application by clicking on the Sign Up button. You may receive a confirmation email, so check your inbox and verify your account. After verification, log into your new affiliate account using your email and password. Inside your dashboard, you'll find affiliate links and marketing materials. Familiarize yourself with the resources provided to help promote Mailchimp effectively. Now you can start sharing your affiliate links and earning commissions on referrals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.